Okay, so we should be streaming. Fuck that. Turn this on. This microphone is like extremely sensitive. It's fucking weird. We don't have a webcam today, which is pretty annoying. You can go there. Oil breaking out. I don't know what the fuck that is. You get full retracement. Interesting. Let me go. Let me go. You can go there. You can go there. Yeah, happy. Got acceptance. Mm. How does that? Why are these working? Interesting. Hey, it's working. Let me go. Let me go. You can go there. No. Whatever. What am I streaming in? I wonder what quality. Okay. Right. So I wish I could get like low key music. Wait, what was that? Why is there like beeps? OBS is still going. OBS is still going. Okay. I don't know. I'll just ask Google. Yeah, but yeah, I don't really know here. To be honest, there isn't much setups apart from continuation. But like, the stop is going to be somewhere up here. Clearly a sell off. Um, apart from that, I don't really have any opinions. Get deleted. Silver. Selling off pretty hard. Gold. Pretty nasty sell off again, but I would expect that to be support now. So, could potentially be looking at like a GC long. This potentially looks like it could be a long on gold. Let's bring you there. You know, how do I feel about this? What is that noise? Is it my... Yeah, it's the phone. Yeah, so potentially look at something here. Um, I already like that. Come on, stop being a little cunt.
Order rejected.
Whoa, 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 why?
Order rejected.
What?
Order rejected.
Well, you can't trade fucking gold. You trade the micro gold? Eh? But it's like fucking shit. Why is it so shit?
Order filled.
Okay, yeah, you're in. Let's see if um gonna be the low. Okay. I didn't know you could do that. So that means I can close that. That should help my computer a little bit. But yeah, this is the only thing I can see is that effectively maybe target there, maybe probably target the highs to be honest. That is the only thing I can really see. I don't really need that open either. Turn this indicators. Bar POC can get fucked too. Yeah, there's not a whole lot. Get some nice volume. I am kind of expecting. I don't get why it's the limiting shit though. It's kind of fucking annoying. So this is going to be a really got 40 seconds. Why is it so shit? So we've got 40 seconds here. I'm going to get in probably two. Yeah, probably two. And I just think if this closes green, there's quite a high probability it's gonna take. Yeah, it's gonna take that. I'm gonna risk it. It's not closed three. Yes.
Order filled.
Okay. 380. Stop. We want to. And you see, it didn't actually close green. Didn't actually close green. But that should. I've got a feeling that's gonna fill it. To be honest, the stop is gonna come right up. To there. 160. Yes, no, that's definitely taken me.
Order filled.
We'll try again. If it comes again, see, like there, you've got it. Market limit 16. It'd be even nicer now if this closes green. Tell you what, I'm gonna go 10, 3, 4. It's gonna be even bigger position. Yeah, screw it.
Order filled.
We'll try and take that. Yeah, no. It's actually quite an impressive entry. Pull it down. Let's see what ES is doing. Because that's silver. Yeah, we need to get out of this pretty ASAP. Pretty ASAP. Full out there.
Order filled.
Yeah, I had in my own statistics that had a really nice probability to come and take the high. But obviously it didn't, and it's just fucking flying down. But yeah,
Order
belonging this
filled.
again. Ooh, what have we just filled? We've probably just filled the second contract on gold. See what happens here. We'll try again. I'll risk all my profits just because the profits I made earlier are neither here nor there,
Order filled.
to be honest. Yeah, we'll take it there.
Order filled.
And the stop would have been the low. It's also a really nice bullish candle. That's why I was very surprised about this one. Because it's like a really, really nice candle. I'll probably take it again as well. I would probably take this trade again. Then I want to start. I wish there was like click trading. It's like fucking. Oh, oh.
Order filled.
Pick it to there. Feeling I'll come up and take it. It should do. Oh, you bastard. It should do. Like, I'm not too worried.
Order filled.
There you go. So in terms of getting back into the shorts, potentially, it's hard to say. I want to get some like chill YouTube music on. Um, yeah, so it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. Let's see what GC might have even taken the actual low. Okay, we're in two. So it's gonna exit. What are you doing? One, obviously a limit. One there. And highs there. Ew. Yeah. I didn't see the setup here. Setups below there. I wouldn't be surprised if it just goes and doesn't, if it doesn't let anyone get back on. Um, that's what it does at the end of the day. This one. Now, I'd risk quite a bit more with this one. There you
Order
go.
filled.
Yeah, that could just completely, it's the 24, it could completely sell off, but I'm not looking for this to make a new low. I'm not looking for it to make a new high, but I'm still not looking for this to make a new low, to be honest. It's not really at support, it's not anything, it doesn't really matter. If anything, it's more bearish than bullish because it's back testing. 20th of March is see, that's a very good long for me as well. It's back testing the 20th of March is value at a low here. Agree with that. Low. Yeah, so we've come down a lot. I get like everyone, the trend is much, much lower. That's fine. Not really bothered, to be honest. Down here is the main target. That was one target, right? But bar that, you got previous day value at a low, you got one there. You haven't got much volume here, to be honest. And there isn't really much volume in that massive teleportation move either. So, doesn't really matter.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm hearing all the fills everywhere. That is going to be filled very soon.
Order filled.
Go. One there. Sell there. See what happens now. So you can see there's clear demand there. I'm actually in two contracts. Long there, and the second one I'll just leave because I'm not really bothered what happens. To be honest, I'll just put stop loss at, I'll just keep trailing my stop. I'll put stop at entry, see where it goes. But yeah, if we close down here, we're gonna probably take out this low, in all honesty. It's extremely likely because we're just getting held down. Yeah, it's literally what's happening. Retrace though, like there's a lot of room to retrace.
Order filled.
The one. Right, so now this is what we're looking at. Pretty much. I wouldn't mind a close, actually. I wouldn't mind this to close. I am going to move this up, and my target's, going to be whatever it is, but I'm going to trail this stop. Even though that is a really nice long. Want to risk 200? Yeah, I'm fine with that. It feels very low today. I need music, man. I wish I had like a Spotify app. Okay, like an app. Because whenever if I listen to YouTube, it's just gonna sound shit. It's cool. Unless we do this, unless we go, please. We go here. Bluetooth. We now we play. So yeah, now we're in this trade. We just leave that go. I want to make my webcam work. Let's get OBS on.
Order
Oh, I think
filled.
it's gonna stop. Yeah, I definitely stopped. Bastard. Yeah, now I'm still gonna do another one. I'm on two. I don't know what that happened, but that was stupid. Man, stop the fuck up. Let's go back. Well, first we need to do this. Okay, now we put you on. There we go. Now let's go stores. Why is that like that? It needs to be the webcam. Hmm. Okay. Now. Why is that fucking not work? Sure, what the fuck is? Why don't you just get off the fucking thing? Get off. Right. I don't give a fuck that you're not charging. Okay, it's connected to the webcam. Why aren't you working? Okay, now you're working. Okay, so I'll move you all the way over there. You keep disconnecting somewhere. Oh, why is the torch on? I have no idea. I wish it would just not be touchscreen, man. Wait. Okay, now it stopped working. It's just a photo. Now it just stopped working, mate. This pissed me off. Start working. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know what the fuck that is. No. I don't know what the fuck this is. Why is why are you so shit though? Okay, so it's working. Okay. No, it's not working.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, now it's working. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. And we're also in this. While that was going on, I'm in this. I took a long. Yeah. I quite like this though. It's like a sweet blow.
Order filled.
Just take you there. I wouldn't be surprised if I get stopped on this, to be honest. Not at all. I would zero surprise if we do. Um, yeah, let's try and get out of that, I think. In fact, no, we'll keep the trade idea. The stop is going to be the low. It's just how it reacts. Like it's super. Like that's not a reaction you want to see. It's just matched, you know. So like Doesn't tell me, yeah, that's bullish at all. It's gapped up though. That's what I would do. One, two, three. No, just. And so I think in terms of raids. Oh, it's still on this. What were we on before? Okay, what on the wrong fucking screen? Mate, this is just shambles. Shambles, mate. Basically, we're in this long here. We're in kind of in this one. Yeah, so now I'm a lot more bias on this going. But I think we're just going to range of it. We're definitely going to take that low again. There's no question of that, to be honest. Let's try and get out of that. 50. Let's see if we keep it. Could be in bastard.
Order filled.
Yeah, give it to me. Um, that can piss me off.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. Oh, we're hearing all the fills. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to reply to someone. So that trade there, effectively that got stopped. Why is it like that? That seems like a nice long now. There you go. Oh, you're like falling down. Let's watch it just not be on anymore. You see which toe? So that's the toe down. Okay, it's like backwards. Dun, dun, dun. What's this? Hmm. Why is that there? I'm just going to trail this. Hopefully, I can do something with it. Yeah, so looking at another buy here, but I'm still in this position. And this, I'll swap them. Hmm. Why am I still in that? You're funny. Oh, let's get stopped. No! Such a nice trade, man. Right.
Order filled.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's not even a bad place to long. It's actually quite a nice long, you know? Like there. It's not a bad one. It's just not, it's just a scalp. Like
Order
it's gonna
filled.
be a scalp. Probably 100, 155. Yeah, it's gonna be a scalp, man. Like 100%. Bring that up to there. See what happens. It's very likely to come down and take that. It's still selling off the 24. So, but you've hit the 24 and you haven't made a new low. So, in theory, there should be a long here. Like it should come back up and take these highs. Um, but it's just so aggressive. I'll take it. Like I'm not too bothered to be honest. Whatever it does, it does. Let's open you.
Order filled.
I'm not even watching, to be fair. Just gonna go there. Right, apart from that, now get building these lows. You're building the highs. Still, son of, I just don't want to short down here because I'm a fucking idiot. Oh shit, yeah, ES is protected. I'm gonna try again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Down, around. Swing sheet rounds. House down.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
HL's really
Order
low.
filled.
Keeps fucking falling. It's not really much like what does that even look like? It's just pointing like mad upwards. Can we do this? Can we like really rip that bottom bit out? Sure, let's do this. So I'm taking along here.
Order filled.
100.
Order filled. Order filled.
What have I just filled? Oh, that's going to be. That's golden. Yeah. Oh god, look how close that came to stop me out. Holy fuck. What am I in? You mean Michael Gold? No. I think, Jesus Christ. That was like,
Order filled.
still want this though. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm trying to. So coming back down to there. Right, yeah, we're taking this. Yes, is going to come and fill these in.
Order filled.
Close that because I'm fed up for trying along this now. I'll wait for a flip. I'm going to leave this account. Right, so 2K, sort of more like 600. Let's move to something different. Something different. So I've got an Express here that we could use. Is that on the yes? Yeah. That looks awful. But I'm not going to use that Express account. I'm going to use probably this one. I'll put you there. You here. Probably. I mean, ES does look stronger, right? And I'm gonna buy one.
Order filled.
I'm more bullish in that getting taken before that low. Based on this. We'll see. So the reason I haven't taken it, are we even still streaming? Should we find out? Tempted to put stop loss at entry now. No, you know what? We're gonna trail it. Yeah, we're still streaming. That's a full-on, really nice. Oh, I'm still on. So still on this. Yeah.
Order filled.
Why do you keep doing this? Here we go. Right, this is going to have to just go because it's just not working. Right, let's see how fucked up that is. Okay, no, it's still working. Watch it just be like super weird soon. Na 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 na. Hmm. I think I'm in the mood now to try and get some liquidity, some bigger positions like this.
Order filled.
This is not a good song. So I've entered a long here. I'll probably leave it go down to here. Don't like that gap down.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is aggressive. Dude, very aggressive. Not a bad level though. Na, 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 na. What a wick. See, on it's just a lot more emotional um on the actual trading. No, see, this time because it needs to go. It does need to fly. Yeah, because it's just chopping people at the moment. There is nothing really, in my humble opinion. I don't really see anything. Let's see what we're doing. Bad, bad, bad. That's really bad.
Order filled. Order filled.
So that TP'd, my stop was down here, but it's not the kind of level I'm looking for. Like, it just really isn't. I'm gonna assume that's going to be the level to hold now. See why my phone's gone off. No, 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 no. Yeah, I mean, it's quite a nice one. I do want to get in some. I am quite bullish on this going that way. Unless we go there and there, that's a better play. That looks horrific. Oh yeah. Oh mate, come on.
Order
There
filled.
you go. We're in. Might be in two here really quickly, but that's pretty horrific. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes straight up. 300. Look at that. It's like hunt, man. So basically, we're in this position. Not quite that, but we have another. If you laugh. That seems like very dramatic. That seems dramatic. Yeah, they're just going to keep selling off. Pretty sure they are. High is just, it has to be scalps. It just has to be scalps. Because it can't be, it can't be serious positions. There we go. It's a tune. Yeah, I think this might get stopped. Like, just judging by the way it's come down, like, if it was bullish, right, in my humble opinion, it wouldn't be doing this. It would just go, like, oh, no, something like that. It would just go boom, 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 boom. Like, look at these significant lows that come. This, it would go, but then you'd start seeing some pretty excessive orders.
Order filled.
Right. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's going to come and take this low, and it's going to go quick. I don't know what you're doing. Damn it. And if I lose this one, I'm pretty much cooked for the day. Well, I'm not cooked, I'm just like 2k positive. But I won't trade this until it gives me like a serious, like a nice level.
Order
There you go.
filled.
I've de-risked a bit. That's just coming to take that low, right?
Order filled.
There you go. Yeah, I've closed this, by the way. I closed one off. I closed one about there and the other one right that high. There you go. Good decision. So yeah, that didn't hold, and then here didn't even wasn't even close to holding. Not even close. See where the next level is. On. Why don't you just click? Find some value. It's a really nice 1 minute candle. 1 minute structure, I probably will. Mate, that's even nicer. So I hate streaming because my computer gets really slow. So I'm looking to buy like halfway down here.
Order filled.
So bearish, man. I've been wrong for days.
Order filled.
We have yeah, I'm not just not gonna touch it because clearly bearish. Clearly. That was the short. But I wouldn't be holding this long anyway. I'm not comfortable in shorting down here. I know it's stupid, I should definitely short down here, right? Like I'm fully aware, but I'm also fully aware over on a higher would go pretty high. So yeah, despite this being like super bearish and that, I'm just not comfortable with it. And now the next levels, none of this is held, and I don't think this is going to hold either. None of it's going to hold until you get down here. I mean, there's a nice flat box there, but until you come and take these lows, none of this will hold. And I'm confident of that. Like none of this will hold. It's a nice long here. So yeah, you can pretty much keep the EMAs on, but structure-wise, there's nothing on the 1 hour. The 30's shite. 15 shit. Everything's shit down to the 1. And I'm not, because you don't know when you trade, you don't know it's going to keep going down. There's the issue. Like, you just don't know. I mean, it clearly is going down. Like, it's not even giving a way in for anyone. I mean, you had a little one here, but apart from that, you've just got no way in. It's going to keep going. Yeah. But bar that, I think I'm pretty much cooked, mate. Like, I don't really have an opinion. Yeah. Wouldn't be surprised. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm probably going to call it there just because it's getting, unless we come down here, I'm not long it, and unless we come back up here, I'm not short on it. So, yeah, there's nothing to look at. So, yeah.